This is day 24 of coding every day. And then what I'm going to be working on today is for my Arduino. Um, Yesterday, what I had happen was I got um, the sensor to work, and then this like main sensor, this ultrasonic sensor. And then today, what I'll try to do is get this passive buzzer to work with the sensors, so kind of like a backup camera or some sort of like obstacle detection. Um, so basically using this, I want to get a passive buzzer. Okay, passive buzzer Arduino. Using passive. I'm just more curious on how to hook it up. It looks like it's just an on and off. Uh, I guess data sheet. I guess just positive and negative. But I think the positive is a analog instead of a digital. Or does it take digital? Whatever. Okay, so it's digital. Yeah. Or not. Is it digital? Or is it direct? I forgot what DC stands for. I know it's not analog. It doesn't really matter. Direct. Okay, that's what I was thinking. Direct instead of analog. Or is it alternating? Oh, whatever. But so it's gonna be direct current. And then, but to get it to work, I believe you have to use tone, and then, oh, not no tone. In tone, it's a square wave. So generating a square wave, I believe is gonna be like PWM, pulse width modulation. Use use of the tone function will interfere with the output on 3 and 11. Only one tone can be generated at a time. Okay, so right now for my Arduino, I have it set up so that it gets the um like the distance right here. And so after the distance, what I think I want to do, if distance centimeters is less than 10, less than 10 centimeters. No, not 10 centimeters. Let's do 5. It's less than 5, then I want to use tone something. Else, if distance centimeters is less than, let's say 20. Well, I want 3 levels, so 5, 20, I'll do 15, and then 30. Tone something. Else, if distance centimeters is less than 30, then I want to do this tone. And then else, no tone, which is just, okay, no tone. And then do you need a pin for no tone? Yeah, you need a pin. Okay, so let's generate the tone, frequencies, tone in hertz, unsigned duration. Yeah, okay. If you want to find different pitches on multiple pins, you need to call no tone on one pin before calling the next tone. The function is non-blocking, which means that even if you provide duration for the sketch, the tone is finished playing. Okay. Um, okay. So I'm assuming the frequency of the tone in hertz. So I'm assuming higher frequency is going to be not what I want. I had to guess. Shoot, let me. I'm gonna start getting this wired up on my breadboard. Okay. So let's see. For the power. Oh shoot, which side is power? Oh, it's the other side. I'm gonna flip this real fast. Okay, there you go. And then, so I have my power for the Arduino, and then my ground. I'll use this. It's my ground, and then I'll just use this. Okay, to my Arduino. And then one thing I think too with a passive buzzer, just to protect it, uh, passive buzzer with resistor. I think. Okay, let's see. One of the passive to the P. Oh, no, do I need a resistor? Which one of these buzzers does not make? Which one of these the buzzer does not make any extraneous sound? Thank you in advance for your cooperation. Good day. I want to connect a passive buzzer to the. Okay. No, you don't need it for your piezo, but use capacitor. So your power with Arduino. Oh, it requires if you require more volume back. Yeah, whatever. Capacitor. Capacitor. If this is a piezo, then you are already overloading the pin with a capacitor. Set capacitor across the piezo. Always with in series with the pin. You want to keep the pin head up to you want to improve the sharpness of the sound. Remember that it is made for higher frequency stuff. You want that use a normal speaker plus amplifier. Okay. Um, it's looking like a no, honestly. Passive piezo needs a tone library, mechanical DC buzzer. Okay, it was looking like a no. Um, but I'm just gonna assume it's a no. And then for tone, I don't think I need to import anything or any library, do I? Is there any examples? Maybe maybe a no tone. Is there an example of no tone? There's not. Okay, I wonder if I do tone on the same pin, does if the tone is playing on the same pin, the call will set its frequency. Okay, so it does. It does. Okay. So define, I'll call this buzzer. I'll just call it buzzer pin, and I'll just set it to 7, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. I guess I'll do 7 as well. 7. Okay. And then for tone, higher. I want a higher frequency. I don't know what's a good frequency for tone. Let's do. What does this look like? about that much. I wanted to see the sketch. What does a normal kind of frequency look like? Tone 8. So tone is pin and then frequency. Notes, the sensor. Notes. Oh, I don't care about the notes. Okay, okay, I see. Okay, okay. So these are higher. Let's see. So I'll just do like this. I'll go this way, like 31, 65, I guess. I'll basically double it, 65, and then like 104. Sure. G sharp, 104. Okay. And then I need buzzer pin, and that's the frequency. Buzzer pin, that's the frequency. Uh, Buzzer pin, that's the frequency, and then buzzer pin. So I totally forgot the semicolons. But let's see if this compiles. So it compiled. Looks good. So I'm gonna plug this in real quick. I'll go ahead and turn the camera on too. Okay, yeah, and then I'll just plug in this Arduino. There you go. Plugged it in. I'll get this uploaded. Uploading. Cool. So it uploaded. Okay. So this is gonna be my power right here, which I'll just set right here. It's gonna be my ground, which I'll set right here. There you go. Okay. And then for my buzzer, totally forgot which one I was gonna use. There you go. I'll use this to hook it up to ground, which is right here, and then to ground. And then my buzzer pin is pin 7. So I'll go right here. This blue one kinda sucks. Let me try a different one. Here you go. Right here. This one also kinda. Oh, it's buzzing right now. I don't know if you can hear that. Um, uh, maybe I need to hook up the sensor first. Okay. So my trig pin is which one? Trig. My trigger pin. Okay, first let me hook up this ground and stuff. Let me just. This is power. So just right here. Hook up right here. Ground. Hook up right here. So whatever. And then trig is 7. Echo is 8. 7. Oh, trig is. Wait. Which one is trig? This is trig. Trig is 9. Trig is 9. Echo is 8. Trig is 9. Echo is 8. There you go. We have my serial monitor. Is it working? Okay. Looks like it's working. I'm just gonna lay that right there. And then this should be on 7. Okay. So it's over. I don't know if you can hear it. Let's see if I can bring the mic closer. So let's see. Oh, okay. So if it's under 5, you go a little further, and then go a little further. very low. I definitely should have picked higher frequencies. I'll try higher frequencies. Um, I'll do like these ones. Let me try D7, I guess. Let's see how that sounds first. 2, 3, 4, 9. Upload. Oh, it still occurs. Huh. That's actually really funny. Huh. Okay. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Huh. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if you guys, I don't know if it's getting picked up or not. I really don't think it's getting picked up. But I don't think it is getting picked up at all. But I hope you trust me that it's working. Um, cool. So I think, okay, cool. Perfect. So I'll unplug my Arduino. Okay, cool. So here's gonna be my next kind of project. Um, I'm thinking of doing a sort of like braille to text translator. So I want to use this right here, this LCD screen, and then I'm thinking of using this with a button, and then you press, 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 so on and so forth to get like the certain like dots, dash stuff for stuff like that. But this will be my kind of next project right now. But I'll go ahead and just kind of get started on that as well. So let's see for this LCD module. So it's LCD 1602, or let's see, it's gonna be LCD 1602. I don't want steps. I want the date sheet. Let's see, 1502. So it's 1 through 16. I have VSS, VDD, V0, RS, RW, EED0. Whoa. Okay. Features, display construction, display mode. Yep, yep, yep. So up to 7 volts. That's fine. So operating voltage, yeah. I don't know what this means here. Let me just. I don't need that. Reliability. Don't care. Okay, let's see. So VSS, VDD, VCC0, RS, RW, E. I get. I don't know if it's the same one. I'm not sure which kind of module which one I have, to be honest, but I'll look at wave shares, I guess. I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty much the same. Okay, power supply. Uh, Write, read. I don't think I care that much right now. I think I'll only need this part. No DC voltage. Okay. Um, okay, let's see real quick. So, okay, let me just, what I'll do I'm gonna save this real quick, but I'm gonna unplug everything so it's a little bit out of the way. Right here, plug, unplug, 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 unplug. Here, unplug this buzzer. Put the buzzer up. That is not. This is the bag. Oh, let's see. It's out of the way for now. And then let's see. So here. Let me do a new sketch. Right. Let's see. Let's see if that's still getting picked up. Okay, it did. Cool. So let's see. So for the LCD to initialize it, so power on, wait time 15, at least 15 milliseconds. After we get at least 4.5 volts, which I should get at least 5 on this thing. Yep, I mean, it says 5 volts. I'm just gonna assume that it's good enough. Curious. Let me look at this Arduino. Where are the pins at? It just has power pins. Cool. There you go. Pin. Power input. So it's a power input. I don't really know what that exactly means, but let's see. So, okay. So what I want is I'm gonna hook up the VDD, so the power to the Arduino, just the straight power. VSS. Not sure what VSS is. Yep, whatever, whatever, whatever. Okay, let's see. Oh, ground. Okay. So I'm gonna hook that up to ground. Power, LCD contrast adjustment, V0, I guess, on mine. RS is gonna be the instruction register select. So instruction register or a data register. Read or write, and then E is the enable. F the data inputs, and then A and K, which I'm assuming are these ones. Supply voltage for LED plus, supply voltage for LED ground. I'm assuming A and K are going to be line up with this. I think I'm going to assume the pin numbers line up. I'm gonna hope. Really gonna hope that they line up. Um, so let's see. So here's what I'll do real quick. I'll grab this. And so let's see. So I have 16 headers. So right here I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 10 looks like. Let's see, that's right. I have 10. Um, okay. I guess I'll ignore LED plus, or do I need that? I might need that. What I could do is just plug this in right here. No, right there wouldn't work. But I could plug this in right here and then work from here. I think I'll do that. Oh, this feels like a terrible idea, but YOLO, right? Uh, Okay, I got it in. So, um, I'll just leave it in for now. But let's see. So, what the heck? Okay, so let's see with my um, little wiggly, which is we're gonna ignore for now. But for now, I'll hook up the ground. So VSS, uh, VSS is ground right here. So I'll just do this. Wait, VSS ground? Get it in, excuse me. Does not want to cooperate. Yeah, that are like really bad. Whatever, I'm just gonna switch them out. I don't need that big of a wire. I want the smaller wire. Get it in, please. There you go. Yeah, then just set that straight up to ground. No big deal. And then K, which is the last one, I think is also a ground. So I'll find another smaller black wire. K right here. Sorry, looks like I line it up correctly. K right here, I'm gonna hook up to ground here. Cool, right here, hooked up to ground. So I have the two grounds hooked up, perfect. So let's see. Okay, so for the initialization, you're gonna power. So I'll probably do this in the setup right here. Okay. So, oh well. Yeah, I'll probably have to do it in setup. Yeah, I'll do it in setup. And then, okay, this is in case I need to define some. But let's see. So I need to put register select to 0, read and write to 0, data bus 7, 6, 5, and 4. If cannot be checked. I think busy BF has for busy flag. Yeah, busy. Let me check something. So if I go down here, register select to 0 be an instruction register, and it's gonna be a write to an instruction register. Okay. Well, okay, let me just line up some pins with this. So there's, well, there's 16 pins, but I don't need two, so that's 14. I only have 13. Well, I don't need, I don't think I need to supply this, so 13. Well, one is also power right here, which I'll get from Arduino, I guess. Yeah, so these two power I'll just get from the Arduino. So, so I only need 12. Well, okay, let's see. I only need 12, right? Power supply I don't care about. VE, LCD contrast adjustment. Is that called VE here? V0. Let me try. LCD 1602 V0. You're referring to the content. Yes, you can connect that pin to a bare to ground with no damage, but no control contrast. And module. I don't know what's just the contrast. I understand that usually 10K is used to connect to the V0 pin. But if I do not want to control the contrast, how and where should I connect it? However, you have to put it in a file adjustment to look right. It's just voltage to that pin. Okay, so I can PWM it. I'll just ignore it for now, but I might use that as a pin. So let me just do, so I want this to be my reg, reg select. Okay, oops. So I want a read or write and enable data bus 1 through 7. Wait, I'm tripping. Wait, did I do that right? I don't know. Let me just go. I'll just call this right. I'll just do RW. It's fine. Oops. I'll do enable uh, data bus 1 or 0. I meant sorry. Data bus 0. I'll just do D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. So those are my data buses. And then I don't need these ones here. So input or output lines. Data input or output lines. What is it output? Oh, set, meaning. Okay, wait, let's see. Data read. I mean, what would make this an output? If you made it a read, right? Because if you made this a read, then you'd have to read the output. Excuse me. Huh. Be clear? Yep, whatever. Set, remove cursor, whatever. Write data from data. Okay. Sure. Okay. Um, cool. Let's just go ahead and get, so register select, register right. Can we check after the following? AC. What is this AC? Address counter. Okay. Okay. Um, I will just figure this out right now. Okay. So, just real quick, we'll kind of get it set up now. We'll just get like the pins and everything just set up to how I want it to be set up. So, okay. For now, I think I want these to be, okay. So, let's at least do register select should be an output because output from the Arduino to here, and then it reads from this. It, the is the register select. So pin mode, the reg select is an output. Yeah, output. And then I'm assuming, okay, well, I'm just gonna do RS too, just so it has some consistency. And then RW is also gonna be an output. And then enable, I would assume it's also gonna be an output. Enable, output. Okay. And so I want to be able to check. I mean, I want to be able to send the stuff to all these. Huh. So I want to be able to control the data bus, looks like. So I can like put in like the different like command codes. Like right here. Screen clear. Cursor return. Input set. Stuff like that. Huh. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to look at this a little bit more, but I think that'll be it for today. I'm really hungry and tired. Um, and I have to do some other stuff, but kind of got a little bit of the setup going. Finished that last project of the like sort of backup camera looking thing. This new project I'm gonna be working on is gonna be kind of like a Braille to text translator, or not Braille, sorry, Morse code. Sorry, not Braille, but uh, Morse code. So like tap dash tap dash tap dash with the button and use that to send data over. That's gonna be my project I'm gonna be working on. But basic setup, just I honestly only have the ground connected, but it is what it is. Um, yeah, that'll be it for today.